Hey guys, Chelsea here from Making Manzanita, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a new bathroom light. So when we were working on our guest bathroom makeover, I was so excited to be getting rid of this outdated light. It really made a huge difference once we replaced it. So before you begin, you want to be sure that you turn off power to the light. This can either be done by turning off the switch, or when in doubt, it's easiest and safest to turn all power off at the breaker, just to be extra careful. Once the power is off, you can begin by removing your light fixture. Usually there's a small screw cap on the front that you simply unscrew and then you can pop the light off. Next, you can start removing the wire nuts that are connecting the light fixture to the house power wires. The wire nuts are just those little plastic cones that connect on the wires. You want to start by disconnecting the ground wire first, which is always the bare one without a plastic coating around it, or in some cases, it may also be the green wire. Next, you can move on to the neutral wire, which is always white, and last, you can disconnect the black wire. By doing it in this order, you will break the circuit, which is the safest way to install this new bathroom light. Now it's time to get that new bathroom light fixture out of the box and ready to install. You want to start by getting the new bracket from your light fixture up into the electrical box on your wall. The new bracket will be provided in the box with your new light. But before you get that new bracket on, you'll probably need to get rid of the old one. Simply unscrew it, and you'll probably notice that you need to loosen the green screw on the bracket, and the ground wire, which again is that bare one, will be wrapped around that screw. Once you loosen it, just simply unwrap the ground wire and you can remove the bracket. Now you can put on that new bracket. Be sure that it's centered in the middle of the box on the wall. Once the bracket's on the wall, you can connect the grounding wire, which again is that bare one without plastic coating. You want to attach it to the bracket. To do this, there's going to be a little green screw on the bracket. All you do is simply loop that grounding wire around the screw at least one time and tighten it back up. Be sure to leave enough ground wire at the end to connect it to the light fixture as well, which we'll be doing in the next step. Now, without getting too complicated here, I'm going to simply explain what grounding is. Grounding is a safety feature that's used in home electrical wiring. In the event that a live electrical wire comes in contact with metal, the power will go back to the electrical panel, usually in your garage, and then down to the ground via a grounding rod. It's a very important safety measure, so be sure not to skip this step. Now it's time to hook up that new light. You want to start with the ground wire, which is the bare one. And you'll take the two ends of the wires, push them together, and then use a wire nut, which is that little plastic cone. To use a wire nut, all you have to do is insert both ends of the wire into the cone and then twist the wire nut clockwise until it's tight. Again, start with the ground wire, move on to the white neutral wire next, and then last but not least, connect the black wires. Next, shove all of the wire connections into separate quadrants of the electrical box in the wall. Now you can attach your new light. Get all of the excess wire in the cover of the light fixture and keep adjusting until those bracket screws come through the front of the light fixture. Be sure you make sure the light is nice and level before you tighten the screws. Once those screws are showing through the front of the light, you can hold it in place and then simply screw on the nuts to secure your light fixture to the wall. You again may need to make a few adjustments here until you get a nice snug fit. Last but not least, you can add your new light bulbs and turn your power back on. And then you're done. You've got a brand new light. Installing a new vanity light in your bathroom is a quick and super budget-friendly way to instantly update your space, even if you're not doing a full bathroom makeover like we are. Now, by following these simple steps in this video tutorial, you can learn how to do it yourself. We had so much fun teaching you guys how to do this simple DIY project. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with during your next bathroom remodel now that you're aimed and ready to replace your own lights. So if you liked this video, be sure to like it down below, comment, let us know what you liked about it, and subscribe. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.